I don't like chrome on my cars. Don't get me wrong, I don't mind seeing chrome on other people's cars, just not my style on mine. I've been trying to remove the chrome from my Corvette ever since I bought it, starting with the side emblems and going into the wheels. I'm getting there, but there's one part of the car that's really hard to find a quality custom replacement for, and that's the front and rear Corvette emblem. I've been searching for a long time, and that search is over. Alright, I'm Jason and welcome to my garage. This is where I bring you car stuff. Normally about my Corvette Z06, but sometimes about other cars as well. Product reviews, how-tos, garage life, and more, so thanks for being here. This one might help a few people out. I owe a big chunk of thanks to 72DBG on Corvette Forum for pointing this out. There's a company out there humorously named 0FX2GV or 0FX2GV that makes custom badges in addition to some other things as well. But the first thing I did when I went to their website is order up some of their custom replacement Corvette front and rear emblems. Now, despite the company name being 0FX2GV, you're going to find that how this is packaged is completely opposite of that. This is how it comes in this box right here. And it comes packaged really nicely in bubble wrap. Inside that bubble wrap, it's in a Ziploc bag. And when you pull it out of the Ziploc bag, you see the quality and detail on this, and it's really something else, where it's not rough, it's gloss, which is exactly what I wanted. And I'll be very careful about this, but the adhesive is already on it, and it's black, so it doesn't show. It's extremely high quality for what you get, and it's going to look great on my car. Obviously, this is what I'm going to replace as one step closer to removing all chrome from my Corvette. It's going to match what I put in a previous video right here. And how I'm going to do it is the same. I'm going to mask the area off, not only to keep alignment with the new emblem and make sure I put it in the right place, but also to protect the surface around the area because the adhesive here is pretty bad and pretty tough. And I saw in previous videos where somebody said to use a 3M eraser. It's a special rubber compound wheel that'll take adhesive off and stripes and everything. I thought about that, but I didn't want to risk it because I also saw videos where people were just doing it wrong and burning a hole in their paint, and I didn't want to do that. So I'm going to give this a shot the old-fashioned way with labor and heat gun and some of these. Well, here we are again, me ripping my fingertips up, fighting this adhesive. It's pretty strong stuff. And a word of warning, if you want to sell your emblem, don't hit it with the heat gun too hard because you will melt it just like I did mine. Oh well, it'll look good on the toolbox. Some WD-40 on a microfiber towel and laid on top of that adhesive for about 5 to 10 minutes, help loosen it up. And then I use some rubbing alcohol just to take away any residue, make sure that the surface is perfectly clean to apply the new emblems. This is my favorite part. And after a whole lot of elbow grease, WD-40, swearing, and grinding my fingertips down, I should have bought the 3M eraser wheel that others suggested. But hey, here it is, and it looks absolutely great. And now I gotta do it all over again on the back. Okay, here we are with the rear. You know the drill. I'm gonna spare you. I'm just gonna show you the finished product. And there it is. Turned out pretty good. I think it looks great for the look I'm going for. But now that I stand back and I look, I see something missing. Now it looks like I need to do something about this right here. All right, so this I didn't want to use vinyl. I wanted something a little more high quality with a little bit more of a factory look. I jumped on Amazon and found exactly what I was looking for a pretty good price. This is by a company called SF Sales, but also known as Dash Kit Mall. And what they make are laser cut ABS plastic inserts. And they're exactly what I was looking for. You just got to put them together kind of like a puzzle piece. And there's the adhesive backing. Cut very, very precisely. So the one thing that I noticed right away was, hey, it showed up with it. No, not really. Partially peeled protective paper on the letter is not a damage or a defect. It's to help them and you realize what color it is. And this is what it's going to look like once it's installed. Just like that. Let's get to it. Perfect. Looks like it's factory. Like a lot of you, I love customizing my car my way. The quality is great from 0FX, and the outcome is exactly what I'm looking for. There is one more element of chrome that needs to be taken away from my car, and the final pieces that are remaining are the chrome bezels in the headlights. But I've got plans to fix those soon, and then some in a future video, so stay tuned. Otherwise, what do you think about the new emblems? Am I taking the whole black thing too far? Should I have ordered them with some color? Because you can custom order colors on them. 0FX seems to be very flexible in making custom emblems. And also, should I have the side emblems done to match, or should I keep the red accents, or just do something else completely different? I'd love to hear your comments because your feedback is always welcome. Otherwise, I got links in the description to the things I talked about here today. Thanks as always for hanging out in my video, and I'll see you in my next one.